I am going to share with you a product that I found recently, a couple months ago. The item is a digital ink board. It's called the Boogie Board Rip. I think you can see the name there. Very simple. You've got a writing surface. You've got an erase button, and the erase button is no frills. It erases everything. The ink looks kind of light. It's not backlit, so it doesn't take much energy at all. In fact, it stays on all the time, kind of like a Kindle stays on all the time, but it doesn't have the ads. It's just there. I use it to take notes. You can also see that you've got a save and wake button. The save button is when you do notes in class, or if you make a to-do list and you want to save it, or if you go take notes on a field trip or in a class, you click the save button and it turns it into a PDF document that you can save on your computer. You can email to yourself, or you can add it to your Evernote if you have that. It's pretty simple as far as connecting it to the computer. If you do that, it comes up on the screen. It comes with a CD with the software. I just plugged it in, so let me move this out of my way so you can see it over to this side. You can see that it's just a screen. You can take a stylus, and the stylus have a little stylus holder. You've got to write with this pen for it to show up on the screen. If you write with your finger, you're going to see it on the board, but it won't be on the screen. It won't register. So let me go ahead and I'm going to click these buttons here to get this off. And let's say I'm going to do a math problem. And we're doing some simple math, so I'm going to put 27 plus 11. And when we work that, we know that that's 8 and 3, so the answer is 38. Of course, if you're working a problem, a formula, it would of course be more complex than this. If I erase it, it takes everything off. But if I save it, I'm going to press the save button. So let me kind of show you what I've got here. This is what I've written on. It's kind of hard to see the 27 plus 11, but that's what I've got written down. And I'm going to press this save button. And when I do that, it comes up on the screen. It shows me that it gives me a choice of saving it, emailing it, or putting it into an Evernote file. So I'm going to click save, and it goes to my desktop. And I'm going to call this math problem. You can see I've done some other math problems. Math problem 2. And so I'll click on saving. I'll click save, and it goes to my desktop. And so if I go to my desktop and look, let me go there now, you can see math problem 2. I double click on it, and there it is. That's the PDF document. So if I want to increase it to a little bit larger, you can see that it's not bad. So if a student's absent, they can have the notes, or a teacher can put the notes on their website. So I'm going to close that down, and I'm going to be going back to the board here. And to get rid of this, if I want to, I can just click on the erase button right here. The erase button. You put it up close, and when it's erased, look on the screen. When I do it, it's going to go away. And there it is. You've got a blank screen again. So teachers can take notes. They can save them. They don't have to put them on there. And it's just really a nice tool if you don't have an interactive whiteboard.